Hello, welcome to another class of Ratio and Proportion series of India Edu tutorials. We have brought you today another set of examples related to ratio and proportion. The first example is, in what ratio should a 20% methyl alcohol solution be mixed with a 50% methyl alcohol solution so that the resultant solution has 40% of methyl alcohol solution. Now let us suppose that there is 1 liter of solution which is generated that contains 40% of methyl alcohol after mixing 20% and 50% methyl alcohol. So now, and let us suppose that we add X liters of 20% methyl alcohol and 1 minus X, because we have supposed that we have 1 liter, and 1 minus X of 50% of methyl alcohol to form a 40% methyl alcohol solution. Now 20% methyl alcohol solution, it will contain 20 upon 100 of X liter, that is 0.2 X liters. Similarly, 50% of methyl alcohol solutions will contain 1 minus X into 50 by 100, that is 0.5 into 1 minus X. And 40% of methyl alcohol will contain 0.4 of methyl alcohol, that is 0.4 liters. So this plus this would be equal to 0.4 liters. So 0.2 X plus 0.5 into 1 minus X is equal to 0.4 liters. Now we will solve it, so that 0.2x plus 0.5 minus 0.5x is equal to 0.4. 0.2, this would be equal to 0.5 minus 0.4 is equal to 0.5x minus 0.2x. This is 0.1 is equal to 0.3x, removing 0.1 is equal to 3x, or say x is equal to 1 by 3. So x liter is 1 by 3 and 1 minus x would be equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. So the ratio is that 1 by 3 ratio 2 by 3, or say 1 ratio 2. So the actual result is this. This means that 1 part of 20% methyl alcohol should be mixed with 2 parts of 50% methyl alcohol to get a resultant solution which has 40% of methyl alcohol. Now let's have another example. Another example is, the monthly incomes of A and B are in the ratio 4:5. Their expenses are in the ratio 5:6. If A saves rupees 25 per month and B saves rupees 50 per month, what are their respective incomes? So now it is given that monthly incomes are in the ratio 4:5. So let's say monthly income of A is, that is A's income is 4x. Similarly, B's income is equal to 5x. Now A's expenses would be 4x minus 25, that is how much he has earned, minus how much he has saved will be his spending. So 4x minus 25 is his expenses. Similarly, B's expenses would be 5x minus 50, because earning minus profit or savings is equal to their expenses. And it is given in the question that their expenses are in the ratio 5:6. So A's expense upon B's expense is equal to 5:6 and A's expense is 4x minus 25 upon 5x minus 50 is equal to 5 by 6. Doing cross multiplication, we will get 5 into 5x minus 50. This would be 24x minus 150 is equal to 25x minus 250. Shifting it, we'll get 250 minus 150 is equal to 25x minus 24x. So 100 is equal to value of x. Now we have to find out that what are their respective incomes, and we have supposed that their incomes are 4x and 5x. So A's income is equal to 4x, which is equal to 4 into 100, that is 400, and B's income is equal to 5x, which is 5 into 100 is equal to 500 rupees. So their actual incomes are 400 rupees and 500 rupees. For more tutorials, stay tuned with indiaedu.com.